So, but I would fully use it.
There we go.
Your rocking chair.
Really bad. Holy shit.
Yeah. You're just on the way.
Just keep the engines on.
Yeah. You think they could have stopped it pointing into the waves? No. We'll get blown
There we
down to
go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to that dead stop, and as I mentioned, it's very important for you to remain right in your seat at this time. Now, I know you want to walk around, but for me, I want you to stay in your seat because even though I'm sure you feel you can walk around on the boat, you might fall down. So just stay where you are. I'm having trouble walking around in it, and I do this every day. So remain in your seat. If you're one of our passengers who are in the back hallway, just remain where you are and make sure you have a handhold. Thank you for your cooperation. We should only be at a dead stop for a few minutes. Hopefully we can flush that stick out. It's really important for you to remain in your seat at this time. Also, make sure you have a hold of those beverages. And if you're not feeling well, please raise your hand so we can make sure we're taking care of